Good morning, guys! So now, this is the look of LJE Farm during the day. Very calm, very peaceful, very greeny, and very beautiful. By the way, muli ako mga kuyog, si Cyril. We also have Kurt Samuel and my very beautiful friend, the Blooming Yoga Bear. Of course, Raymark and Binlo was with us. We're with us. And Loy Loy, Caddy is in the building. Si Nanay di ay ang caretaker sa farm. And there you go. John is sleeping. You're my sleeping child. Ganon. And yaka ni siya. The boy, hello. Philip, guys. Philip Michon. So kading abahin, ang itik 1 point, si AJ 0. Pero kalami, lami kayo sa mati. See? Gwapa kayang palibot. Lami kaayo ang mga tanom, lapad kaayo, pwede ka makadalagan, pwede ka makatuon, anywhere, any part sa farm. Because it's very, very peaceful. Kuha ng kagbangko, pungko, pwede na.
Guys, when was the last time na nakita mo gansa? Ako, it's been a long time. So, yeah.
And so, diri na human ang amo ang stay sa LJE Farm. I hope you loved it.